This old guy DIY technique has to do with making a floating pool chlorinator for $1. So a friend has a place with a pool with no inline feeder, and she bought one of those floating chlorinators from Walmart for $6 that you can put 2 of these 3-inch pellets into, but it's not putting enough chlorine in the water. So what I'm going to do here is she bought these little nylons for $1 at Walmart. So you get 4 of these things for $1. And I'm going to take the nylon, I'm going to throw 4 of those 3-inch tablets into it, and then I'm going to tie it to a duck decoy. I'm going to just drop the duck decoy in the pool. So I took 4 of the 3-inch tablets, put them in the nylon. Now I'm going to just tie a knot in the end of it. Actually, I won't tie a knot in it. I'm just going to use that zip tie and fasten it to the decoy. So when this stuff is gone, I can go ahead and reload it. So the weighted nylon stretches enough, I just wrapped it around the keel, and I used that little zip tie. Sorry. Use a little zip tie just to tie the ends together here. So after this stuff is gone, I can just snip the zip tie and reload. Now we'll go set it in the pool. So there we have the duck floater with 4 of the 3-inch pucks and his little buddy, the factory manufactured blue Walmart floater with 2 of the little pucks. We'll see if this thing puts enough chlorine in the pool to help. I hope this idea helps you. Have a good day.